for free.
Someone, Mitchell Media have put the work in, so you don't have to.
Here we go.
Is this another game?
Sounds so
Cat
thrilled.
Yeah.
by Joe Programming.
Holy
Joe
crap.
Grabbing.
What is
Oh,
this
God.
even?
Oh god.
There's 3 Jingle Cats games.
Oh, the mouse cursor is just like.
Oh no,
Yeah.
you did it too.
Poor.
Okay. There's an order. What do we...
Oh, have I got to wait till it passes underneath and then drop it on? Oh no, it says base. How do? Oh. Do I? Right? No.
Maybe you put it...
Oh,
All right.
I think I'm too slow. Yeah.
What is it asking for? Oh, I see. Okay, the
It's
red and white
changed.
base.
It's changed. Okay.
We're sorry,
right.
we're stupid.
Now I get
Crabs, oil, and ginger ears.
it. Okay. And these are our lives.
That's it.
What's this?
What the fuck are we making? We're making Jaffa cakes?
Do we have to do anything else? I think that's it. It's done, right?
This is quite a game.
Is it going to go to let me know I've done it right?
Well, we'll see, won't we?
Why don't they have
I
a
guess
present
it's
on
gonna
it?
be fast as well.
I didn't
Yay!
see any
See,
instructions.
didn't-
is now
I-
playing.
They,
Green and red
Orange
base.
filling, the Jaffa cake filling.
they didn't
Oil top,
notice
not
that they
Jaffa cake
died.
top. Hours of
Why'd I have to put a
entertainment
present
here.
on? Is
Man,
that
you're
like how it
natural.
works?
Let's get it in the bundle.
we have
Wait,
to-
did I lose a life?
Yeah, I think you have to box it.
Oh fuck!
Yeah.
Yes.
That's
there we
why.
go.
Oh my god, we almost failed this game.
It's fine. Sometimes you just learn as you go along.
Gin,
I don't like
Cris-
the combination
Crispies,
of
crispy
these.
squares,
Yeah.
cat ears, everything needs
Chip it.
cat ears.
The pictures are just summing up.
The bee costume,
I think it is getting quicker, isn't
nuts, gin, gin,
it? Gin.
cat ears,
What do you mean cat ears? They're all cat ears,
box
Lewis.
it. I'm helping. Blue wine, orange fill, nuts on top,
Sick.
Oh
cat
god.
ears,
Oh god.
the black
The
ones.
pressure. The pressure.
There's Tom,
Oh my god, what
red
is
and flux base, oil,
It's getting quicker.
Brown ears,
I don't know if
second
I
one.
can keep up with it for much longer.
box, P-flex,
Wait, that's the original base.
base,
I wasted
orange
time.
Jaffa, nuts, Sipsco David, brown ears, box it. Okay, white, red and white base, gin, chocolate top, regular
Oh.
Jaffa. This is a good
Oh
one.
my god, they're rapid at this.
I'll have that.
Ship
That's
it.
for me. What is that
That
picture?
is
What the fuck is
horrifying. I'm
that?
very distracted.
I know that's
I'm
the
very
how the game
distracted.
gets you.
Oh,
Brown ears,
Lewis!
box it, box it! Oh, you did
Oh,
it.
Oh no! I'm not
Orange.
gonna do it in
Nuts,
time.
the bottom one, black, brown ears.
He said black.
did you do all the assets for it?
Gin, Sipsco dirt, white ears, top one.
What is
box
that
it.
picture of
Oh,
Lewis?
he's
Is that
doing it.
Lewis?
Oh god.
Oh,
Oh
it's
god.
a crystal
I can't
picture.
do it, Lewis. I can't do it.
White ears.
It's too much
This is-
pressure.
You're doing it.
So
too
high
much.
intensity.
I can't.
Gin, oil, scoop it up.
Ah, get me up.
No.
Ah!
That's not bad. That's not bad.
Employee of the month.
Like a real gamer. Well, I mean, you threw the first two, but
Yeah. Well, I didn't know the rules. I didn't know how it worked.
I feel like if you could beat Simon's score,
What an amazing
How do you
game.
feel, Lucy? The Irish just played your
that
game.
way, that you,
And Simon said,
These
"What an
beautiful
amazing
footsteps.
game."
well, thank you. Wow, that is quite a game.
It was wonderful.
have they
It's
already-
a wonderful
have they already
game.
All the
played your
work that
game?
went into the.
Yeah,
the
yeah.
design,
They
the
just
graphics.
playing
it, they
Oh,
just
finished
better
it.
than
The game.
most of
Oh.
most of the games that are out on Steam.
Oh, are we taking a break now?
Yes, let's have a break.